Here we go again with another video update about Ethereum brought to you by the Grap Coin YouTube channel. The market-wide decline in Ethereum prices yesterday was, unsurprisingly, par for the course. Today there was a small increase, surging to the micro resistance that I had previously mentioned yesterday. In my opinion, the yellow count suggests that the fourth wave may be upon us. The next major Fibonacci support level is 2009.76, and we might see another low that attempts that level, or maybe 2007.89, which is the 100% Fibonacci extension of such a wave. Our final tally comes to $2,789 once we compare it to this C wave. Very little occurred anywhere. We are still in the support sector, however we did sell off. Even with today's minor price increase, we are still above the bottom of March 20th. Be sure to keep an eye on it if we can remain below resistance. This weekend, I suggest keeping a watch on these standards. The idea could that during a lackluster wave 4 weekend, the market would try to consolidate near the resistance area. Why does that spot provide the most trouble? This peak serves as the reference point for its evaluation. I really ought to alter it, and maybe I will, because to do this, one need only measure the length of the third wave. The number of possible additional ones was probably anywhere between 1 and 5 as I was taking this resistance measurement, but on rare occasions they're all within the flame of a single candle. Absolutely, I think it might benefit from a bit more space. The amount should be raised to $3,338. I think we made it sound a bit better now that we may already be in the main fourth wave, but there may be 2 more lows before then. Consequently, we think it would be best to give it a bit more space. $3,339, therefore, price action below the 50% retracement level suggests there may be a further bottom in the works. If we go beyond that mark, what will happen next? Very well, it may be something more upbeat. It is possible that the low has been reached, even if a double bottom is unusual. Because of this, defending it would be difficult. A strange diagonal pattern starting somewhere would be required. If not, additional pricing changes would be necessary. Actually, I had the thought that maybe a triangular pattern is going to appear, which is to say, what happens if we bear in mind that the low could come at any moment, even if you manage to ride out a rally so far? Yes, there is one worthwhile point, and that is that we were mistaken. Quite a bit of time has obviously gone into the repair. The correction has definitely fallen low enough to affect prices. It might be the lowest point at any second. Probability is the foundation of it all. Looking at it in yellow, we can see that it is an ABC structure. For the C wave to occur, one more low is actually necessary. Being a WXY at any given moment is indeed possible, possibly already at rock bottom, though the Y wave was short. As an alternative to an ABC, I would require additional evidence that the corrective phase has concluded, such as a price breakout over micro resistance, the B wave's high point at 3,730, or the wave's excessively high point at 3,00614. The odds of an ABC structure in which the C wave reaches a further low or a test of the levels indicated before are now in the ascendant. It could also form a triangle, therefore that is what. After this, I will watch. If the micro resistance is overcome and a triangle forms, it is possible that we are performing a wave 4 pattern, which is basically this pattern. Wave 4s can be formed from triangles. I said they are unusual, and they are now very rare in the cryptocurrency market. Worst case scenario, this is the B wave. They are currently fairly uncommon in the cryptocurrency realm. Still, you might want to keep an eye on this trend line. Okay, so it might be a D wave, then an E wave, and wave 4 will end at this point. Additionally, we probably won't make another low after that. Regardless of the outcome, I will be satisfied as long as we remain below 2,976, a significant support level. If that's the case, I'd be happy if it manages to overcome the obstacle. There may not be a further lower bottom, and an immediate breakthrough may be signaled by a triangle transition. Aside from that, I will continue to watch for one more low so long as the price stays below resistance. Moreover, these resistant trades are what the well should focus on for the time being. After that, it could be a good idea to wait for the D wave. The market may be able to break above it. Also, for the D wave of the triangle to stay below the B wave's peak of 3,730, and avoid an upside breakout that might lead to a fifth wave market increase, it is necessary that it stays below that level. That structure is still bullish, in case you forgot. Even though we are having a hard time being patient with the present drop, the bull market shows no indications of stopping. I say we just watch. In the end, the support is defined. On rare occasions, significant drops might occur rapidly in the cryptocurrency market. Though we have not yet broken any support on the ETH chart, permit us to keep watching. Please let me know if you found the update interesting. Like, comment, and subscribe if that's the case. So long.